We're Bonap. We're setting the new standard for nutrition education by helping people figure out what's in their food in a language they can understand.
I'm Laurent. I've worked for 20 years in the food industry, and I've come to realize the problem we have with obesity, not just in the US here, but around the world, is due to what we eat, right? That's what made me create Bonap, a company that's dedicated to nutrition education.
I'm the Director of Research and Data Analytics at Bonap, and I joined the team about a year ago. And what got me really excited about the company is that we've created a tool that even a 6-year-old can understand. I have a master's and PhD in nutrition with 8 years of experience implementing nutrition education programs in corporations, and I really see the value in what we offer.
Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm the Director of Business Development here at Bonap. The reason I joined the team after selling software and data solutions for 15 years is I see a fantastic opportunity to make money selling nutrition education programs to employers in a rapidly expanding market.
In addition to working with new clients, we're also carrying out a clinical study in Baton Rouge among middle schoolers where obesity is one of the worst in the country. We are working in partnership with Pennington Biomedical Research Center so that we can really measure the impact of Bonap on these 13-year-old eating behaviors. We know that we can make a real difference.
With you as an investor, we will be able to hire 5 to 7 people to grow our sales and marketing, to reach out to those large companies and implement the nutrition education programs.
Help us build a healthier future for our children by investing in Bonap today.